Activity 2. Solving equations with more than one variable term. This is a part of Unit 2, Modeling Linear Relations. Solving equations with more than one variable term. Many equations involve more than one variable term. Before you can properly solve an equation, it must only have one instance of the variable for which you are trying to solve. For instance, x over 3 equals 17 is one variable term. Negative 2 times negative x is equal to 102 is one variable term. 3x plus 5 is equal to 153 minus 2x has two variable terms. And 3x plus 27 plus x divided by 5 is equal to 1 minus x has three variable terms. Before you start solving equations with more than one variable term, you must do the following. That is, if they apply. You must get rid of any fractions in which a variable is present. You must expand any brackets that are present. And you must collect and combine like terms. And you should do these in order. It's a checklist. Start at the top and work your way towards the bottom. After completing these three steps, you'll have an equation with one variable, and you can proceed as normal to solve. Let's take a look at example 1. Solve and check your solution. 2x plus 7 is equal to 6x minus 1. First, we must see if we can get rid of any fractions in which a variable is present. Well, there's no fractions. Then we must see if we can expand any brackets that are present. Well, there's no brackets. So we have to do the last step, collect and combine like terms. We have like terms, the 2x and the 6x, and the 7 and the negative 1, two pairs of two like terms. So, we'll bring all the x's over to the left-hand side by subtracting 6x from both sides. This will leave us with 7 minus 4x is equal to negative 1. Now, we'll subtract 7 from both sides. This will bring the 7 over to the right side of the equation. And we'll have negative 4x is equal to negative 8. So then we have to divide by negative 4. This will allow us to isolate x from its attached value. And we'll get the answer of x equals 2. Once we've solved, we have to check. So we'll do a left side, right side check. Our left side is 2x plus 7. Our right side is 6x minus 1. So we have 2 times 2 plus 7 on the left side, which is 4 plus 7, which is 11. And on the right side, we have 6 times 2 minus 1, which is 12 minus 1, which is 11. So since the left side equals the right side, we know that x equals 2 is a solution. And that's how we go about using our checklist and using our previous information to solve equations with more than one variable term. Example 2. Solve 3k minus 4 plus k is equal to negative 2 times 3 minus k. Here's our checklist. We're going to have some things to do. Take a second to think about a plan that you might take to solve this, and then come back to see if your plan or your solution is similar to ours.